welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Well, welcome back to Cello Week. This is our second edition to Cello Week. Today we're going to do Lime-Cello. Okay, this ought to be pretty good. So, like I said before in the first video, we are only doing half batches. But I will put the full batch ingredients in the description below. Okay? But there's one thing that you can always do for us. Please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, share us with your friends, give us that thumbs up, and leave a comment. And we'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, let's get started. Just like before, we need to peel our limes. Now I'm going to try one or two different ways. I'm going to try the vegetable peeler first and see if that works okay, and it might. These limes are on the a little bit on the small side. Okay, so we just peel each lime just like we did the lemons. This is our first step. And what I also have is I have one of these like grater things. I might try one and see how that works out. If you get a little bit too much pith on her, you just take your knife and shave it off. Let's try this, see how this works. I guess it would work, but you know what? I think I like my knife better. That is nice and fine though. Let's try it. That's working pretty good actually. If it starts coming out red, I went a little bit too far. Okay, so let me get this done and then I'll be back. Okay, so we got all our lime in there. So next step, just like before, we want to go 375 milliliters. 375 milliliters. Okay. I mean, it's turning lime colored already. Okay, so like I said before, this will take about a week. We'll check it every few days, give it a little bit of stir and a shake. And then I think with that, when I use the planer or zester, whatever you would like to call it, I think it really speeds up the process. This ought to be interesting. Okay, I'll be back with the next step. Okay, welcome back to Stillworks and Brewing. Our next cello is the Lime-Cello. And it's the same principle as the lemon. Let's strain out the rind. It's a different color. I don't know if I left it in there maybe a little bit too long. I don't know. It's different looking. I think what I would have done next time is just a couple days. Alright, so like we did with the lemon, we made up some simple sugar and see what the color does. Colors ain't as pretty as the lemon, but don't smell bad. Alright, that's our Lime-Cello, and I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be putting it in the freezer, get it good and ice cold, and then at the end of all this we're going to do a great tasting, and if it works, it works. If it ain't, it ain't. I'll let you know what I think. Okay? Lime-Cello. We'll see you tomorrow.